Hey guys, Steve here, Green Outdoor Maintenance. It is Thursday, Thursday the 13th. I can't remember what day it is. Anyway, I'll tell you here. Supposed to be on my phone ain't working. It's the 18th. Okay, I wasted 3 seconds of video for that. Anyway guys, I got me a new scan disk, 64 gigs. And in this package I got there yesterday is a new, if I can get it out of the package, is a new knockoff. It's not a GoPro, but similar, and it makes you guys all dizzy. But they call it the Game Pack. It's similar to a GoPro, only it's not supposed to be as, I don't know, it's not expensive as a GoPro. Anyway, so that's what this is. I'm going to open this up here so you guys can see what all the goodies I got. They call it the Fun Pack. It's Cam Pack. And it's made in China, which is natural, normal. Anyway, my GoPro died earlier this winter, or last spring. It died midsummer last year. So I can't see spending $300 to $400 on a new GoPro when this cost me a whole $70. And there it is. I don't know if you can see it or not with all my moving around. And it comes with all these little goodies. I mean, there's an extra battery. I believe that's a battery. That's a battery. Next one, battery. I got all the clip-ons for all the fun stuff. Mounts. And then all the mounts are up here. Directions. You get all these little mounts. Different kind of mounts here. And pivot mount there. Like I said, no, I got 2 batteries. I didn't realize that. I got 2 batteries with this puppy. And there's a charging cord, and there's a Velcro straps there, and a back cover for the case. They're all waterproof. And this one doesn't, I think, yeah, this one already has it on there, so it's a solid case there. And I guess that goes with this one here. I got an extra back here, right there. So, they give me an extra door, plus all these little fun things to hook on. They even give you a couple zip ties. I've not read the directions yet. I don't know if I got a charger for this or not. I'm going to have to plug it in. I might have to go buy a portable charger. But I got 2 batteries, which is good. And then I got mounts, all sorts of mounts. Anyway, this is my little toy gift I got. Like I said, it cost me a whole, I think, $70 or $49.99, something like that. And I got all this. When I got my GoPro, I paid $300 for the GoPro. Then I had to pay another $100 for the accessory bag for it. And this is supposed to be just as good as a GoPro. I have not read the directions yet. I don't know if that's a fisheye lens or what. But anyway, I called to let you guys know that it is beautiful, warm weather here in Colorado. We are 65 degrees today and tomorrow. And then we had a little cold spell yesterday, or Monday, excuse me. And it got down to 20 degrees. My, a little chilly. And it warmed up yesterday. Well, a little bit of the snow I got over here. We got a dusting on Monday. Not enough to even shovel. But that's what's left of my snow. A dusting. This is all shaded from my fence so it doesn't melt. And it will soon be gone. Most of it was gone yesterday. And there's my wonderful doggies. See what you barking at. And there's the boy. Mr. Majestic, we call him. And all the snow over here finally melted. And there's Simba. That's Sophia, the puppy. And Rocky underneath her. And she's the next one in line after my old girl dies. My old girl's not out here. She's 20 years old. And she's still going good. So there's Cece. She's like 12, I think. He's 5. Rocky, I don't know how old he is because he's just kind of... I got him from my mom when she moved into her retirement center. And Sophie's the puppy. She's the baby of the family. Anyway, I just want to let you guys know I got the little camera, new camera. I'm going to try it out and see how it works. Charge up the batteries. And have some fun. You all take it easy out there. Leave a like, a comment, hit that like button, all that good stuff like everybody takes telling you to. Just a quick little short video. Talk to y'all later.